In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply style in Google Vids. This tutorial will not only make your videos stand out, but also equip you with the knowledge to enhance your video projects with ease. Let's dive in and start styling. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Vids. If you're new to Google Vids, it's a powerful tool in the Google workspace that allows you to create, edit, and share videos with just a few clicks. Once you're on the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to choose the one you intend to use for creating or editing your video. This step ensures that all your work is saved and can be accessed from your chosen account. Now, with access granted to your Google Vids dashboard, let's navigate to the video you wish to apply styles to. If you haven't already uploaded a video, now would be a good time to do so. Once your video is selected and ready, the next step involves diving into the video's editing features. Here you'll be clicking on Scene. This is where the magic begins. Scenes are essentially segments of your video that you can edit individually, allowing for a more granular level of customization. Whether you're aiming for a professional look or perhaps something more whimsical, styling your scenes appropriately sets the tone of your video. After selecting a scene, look for the Styles option. This is where Google Vids offers a plethora of styling options to choose from. Styles can dramatically change the look and feel of your video, applying color grading, text styles, and other visual effects that will make your video uniquely yours. Once you've explored the styles and found one that resonates with the message or theme of your video, it's time to apply it. Click on Apply Styles. With this action, you'll see the chosen style instantly transform the appearance of your scene. It's worth noting that you can preview different styles before making your final decision, ensuring the style perfectly complements your video. But let's not stop there. Applying styles to your video is just the beginning. The real art comes from experimenting with different combinations, tweaking and customizing until you've crafted something truly special. Each scene in your video can be styled differently, allowing for a dynamic and engaging viewer experience. Feel free to go back and try different styles on various scenes. The undo feature is a lifesaver if you decide you preferred the original look or another style entirely. Remember, the styles in Google Vids are not just about making your video look good. They also serve to convey the mood, tone, and message of your content. A well-styled video can captivate your audience, keep them engaged, and deliver your message in a visually compelling manner. Before we conclude, here are a couple of additional tips. If you're working on a long video project, consider applying styles to a few scenes and then watching them back to back. This will give you a better sense of how these styles flow together throughout the video. Also, don't be afraid to combine different styles. Sometimes a unique blend can create a stunning effect that a single style alone cannot achieve. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating styled videos in Google Vids that not only look great, but also capture the essence of your message in a visually appealing way. Experiment with the vast array of styles available, and remember, creativity is key. Your videos are a reflection of your imagination, so let it run wild and see where it takes you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to apply style in Google Vids. We hope you found it helpful and are inspired to start styling your own video projects. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy editing.